All right.
I gotta
So
cut you off.
what's up?
Sorry, I gotta cut you off. Now, going back, wrapping around to the earning potential, I do want to point this out, and I'm not just singling out the moms, the fit moms or whatever, but another thing that drew me was I thought about that. I thought about a couple of my neighbors that are, just stay-at-home moms. Um, they're just not really, not I don't want to say not doing anything, but they're looking for something else to do without having to go anywhere, without having to do anything. And this is one of those opportunities where you can sit there and get supplements for yourself, for your family. I want them to come out with something for kids. That's what I'm waiting on. But, for yourself, for your family, and drive traffic to your site. Your friends at the gym, your family members, all that stuff, to let them know about it. But yeah, it's something that so a working mom, a stay-at-home mom, whatever, this is a great opportunity for you, for us, as well, to take advantage of. And that's the one thing I forgot to mention.